Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Qatar, and the Qatar has a rectangular shaped flag and it is divided into two segments inside. It's like a zigzag line divided the flags into two parts. So let's draw a zigzag line inside here. Usually the colors it has on a single monochromatic color, that is dark red color. So one side it remains white and on the other side it remains a dark red color. Now we're going to put the dark red color on the right side of the flags, and the left side of the flag is going to remain white. Filling up the portions of the right side. Okay, now I'm going to fill up the whole area with a uniform solid color. Alright, so it's a single flag, two colors, white and the dark red, and a rectangular outline. That's the flag of Qatar. I hope you like the videos, and I have shown you all the symbols and the presentations here. This is a very easy flag drawing. You can also draw at home and you can do practice. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates, and keep practicing. And you can also browse to the playlist to select drawings from different categories. We have lots of drawings there. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.